My name is Jordan Edel, and I am the Program Director at Good Future Teen Addiction Rehabilitation Center in Delray Beach, Florida. Our staff is very knowledgeable with regards to matters related to adolescence and addictions. The staff is extremely supportive of each other, as well as the adolescents that we care for. I've been working with addicted adolescents since 1992, and I found that adolescents recover best when the care provided is well structured. Parents often ask me when it is time to send their teen to rehab. When you recognize your teen is addicted, it is important to confront the problem because you won't be able to handle the addiction and behavioral concerns at home. It is a full-time job to rehabilitate an addicted teen. At Good Future, we provide services around the clock to teach a child techniques and methods so that they can ultimately help themselves. Please don't hesitate to contact my staff or I at the number below at any time in order to discuss your adolescent's problems. At Good Future Teen Rehab, we are here to help you and your loved one.